Hey people, so we are at this cute place called Wisphot, but what has taken me by surprise is this, is this waiver. So Ayush, can you now taste it and tell us how does Wisphot taste?
You're gonna die anyway.
Yeah, that's the tagline. And it says it has 5 different types of chilies with cheese. Okay. Ayush, show us how it looks like. It looks like a roti. Okay, take a bite of it. Wrap it. I'm excited on your behalf. Yours is paneer.
Corn.
Okay, corn and cheese. Okay. And we have water for safekeeping. Yeah, it's just, I think they hype it up like that. But it's just so interesting. Show, give me also a bite.
They really just hype it up.
Huh?
It's not spicy. Kind of like sour and pungent, but it's kind of yummy.
It is spicy. It is. Basically, it has literally raw powder, like in terms of it's as spicy as that. I'm scared to open the second one, but I'll open it at home, I think. Are you sure having that? Can I also have a bite?
No, it's fine. I like it.
Really? So this is good.